everybody doing this morning? It's the first day of confirmation for the first Black woman and the first public defender. Our future Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson knows that we are out there and that we have her back. That sound good to folks? Yes. All right. People want to know. Justice Jackson! Now!
We're on Capitol Hill today for the first day of confirmation hearings for Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson to become the first Black woman on the Supreme Court. We're here with a bunch of Black law students and Black lawyers who have come in from around the country to support her. How does it feel as a Black woman to be a part of this moment?
It feels incredible. I brought my daughter with me here today because I want her to see that one day she can attain the highest levels, to be on the U.S. Supreme Court, to be president if she wants to.
How will Judge Jackson's experience as a public defender impact her decision-making on the Supreme Court?
We have a criminal justice system here that is incredibly problematic in so many ways. There are really amazing research studies that show that having that perspective on the bench will have the other justices pause. She'll ask different kinds of questions. She'll evaluate cases differently.
Can you give an example of a case that might come in front of the Supreme Court where her background as a public defender will really impact the decision?
I think about Fourth Amendment, search and seizure law, when people are being pulled over. The racial disproportionality we have in traffic stops, in stop and frisk. And so I'm looking forward to someone who can bring the perspective of having seen the cases, how should we be thinking how we think about the Fourth Amendment? When you look at the state bench, the federal bench, the U.S. Supreme Court, right, the background is that it's a prosecutor, and it's been that way for a really long time. I think that's an imbalance, and I think that it's bringing a public defender voice to the court will balance out the perspective of those who are making important, critical decisions.
Our grandmothers and mothers who labored in the field, who picked the cotton, and who all they could do was stay alive. And stay alive they did for this day to come.
Can you talk about your experience as a Black woman lawyer in this field?
It's extremely hard, and there are days where you wonder why am I still dealing with this? When you walk into courtrooms and people assume that you're not the lawyer in the room, or you must be the intern or something like that. It's like every single day our intellect is challenged in this field. But it takes people like Judge KBJ to remind you, you've done the work. We're qualified. We, aid a different perspective in these courtrooms, and we are here to stay.
Dear future Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson, my name is Samaya Ali Williams, and my dream has always been to become a civil rights attorney because my aunt is an attorney and my mom's friends are attorneys.
How are y'all doing? Is there something important going on here today?
Sir, what is the most important thing you want to hear from the judge today?
Get back with me. But I think she's going to answer these questions with her legal acumen in a positive manner and with a lot of energy, because that's what she's all about.
Since I was nominated to this position, I have received so many notes and letters and photos from little girls around the country who tell me that they are so excited for this opportunity and that they have thought about the law in new ways because I am a woman, because I am a Black woman. All of those things people have said have been really meaningful to them.
We all know there's a difference of opinion about the role judges should play.
Okay. My name is Kiana Joy Ochiaga, and I am a graduating 3L at the Southern University Law Center in Baton Rouge, Louisiana.
Why was it important for you to be here today to witness this moment?
This is history that I get to sit in and witness, and I just want to be in the presence and be here to support her. First, I saw her name, Ketanji Brown Jackson. That's like my name. So that was something that resonated with me. And then the way she looks, she's a deeply, richly melanated woman with sister locks, natural hair that she rocks proudly. So just to see her, it just sparked a fire in me that, wow, we're really doing something here. It's just been a joyous moment all around, especially for Black women attorneys and future Black women lawyers.
This is crazy. I remember just thinking about it. Like, we're here.
Yes.
We're here.
We're doing this.
I'm not gonna cry. Don't cry.
Don't cry.
They say to me,